This is the new web browser, Cocoon Rewards. Get paid to do searches on the internet. Learn how to use the money button. When it's green, it's enabled, and you earn to do searches. Now it is at paused. When it's green, it's enabled, and you do searches. Use the dashboard button to see your earnings, and earnings are not done in real time. And also see your referrals. With referrals, when your referral earns $7, $3 will be added to your account. Here's my referral code. Search with the new web browser, Cocoon Rewards, and get paid for it. This is the only web browser that pays you, and you get paid by PayPal. My referral link is in the description.